So yun, moving forward. So I hope nakatulong yun, no? So next, strategies for achieving balance. Balance in theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge. Unang-una sa lahat, continuous learning and improvement. Yung concept ng Kaizen, no? So kailangan yan in the markets, uh, may continuous learning ka and improvement in the theoretical aspect and the practical aspect. In ibig sabihin lang nun, kailangan hindi porket na profitable ka na ngayon, magiging profitable ka pa din bukas. Kailangan tinitignan mo yung mga possible weak points mo or yung current weak points mo and then improve on that. So, dyan papasok yung next, which is seeking feedback and mentorship. Basically, treating feedback as a gift. So, kailangan gino-journal mo talaga lahat ng trades mo and then you seek feedback from an accountability person or accountability group or even a mentor, di ba? So, kailangan na nakikita nyo parehas yung trade mismo kung saan ka nagkamali or saan ka pwedeng mag-improve pa. So, very important yung feedback, no? Treat feedback as a gift. Pangatlo, periodic self-assessment and reflection. So, kahit na may accountability group ka or mentor ka, in trading kasi is very personal, 'di ba? So, kailangan mo palaging lagi mo dapat tinitingnan yung sarili mo, nagre-reflect ka sa sarili mo if may natutunan ka ba today? Naging okay ba yung performance mo in the markets? Ginawa mo ba yung trading routine mo? And others. So, kailangan ng periodic self-assessment, no? Kumbaga, sinoscore mo yung, ginagradean mo yung sarili mo every day. In every trading session, 'di ba? So, let's say, parang 4/5, out of 5, 5 yung highest, 1 yung lowest. I-assess mo yung emotional aspect, assess mo yung actual execution mo, and then gradean mo. So, yun. Pangapat, to achieve balance, no? Adjusting your trading approach based on experiences and new knowledge. So, every trade, treat it as a lesson. Hindi porket na winning trade yan, wala ka na matutunan, 'di ba? Meron kang matututunan on losing trades and winning trades. On losing trades, how you can improve your risk taking or saan ka ba nagkaroon ng blunders. Yung winning trades naman, pwedeng hindi mo masabi, pwedeng may mga mali ka ding ginawa, 'di ba? So kailangan tinitake into account mo na meron kang new knowledge na makukuha on each trade na tinitake mo.